Hey guys, I'm just working on the key real quick and I thought I'd record it again because I think that was helpful to some of you last time. As we're looking at this, so this is just law of sines, law of cosines. It says 5-1 to 5-3. It probably shouldn't say that because we called these 5-5 and 5-6. So we'll just make that quick change. Not that it's an important change, but just to clarify where this is coming from your notes. So in this very first question, 1A, I'll probably just do 4 videos, one for 1A, 1B, one for 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and then 4A, 4B, whatever. You know what I mean. So in this very first one, we are supposed to solve, which means find everything. So this is B, the angle, and this is B, the side. So immediately we know that we've got a complete total pair. So I'm going to go sine 44 over 7. Now angle C is 53. I'm going to go 53, and then that will pair with side C. Cross multiply. And divide. I won't show you every step for every question, but we'll at least look at it for this first one. So now, let's see, we want to do 7 sine 53 divided by sine 44. And get my calculator up. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so 7 sine 53, because that's what was multiplied in the cross multiplied, divided by sine 44. And I get about 8.05 we're going to go with. Which makes sense because 53 is a little bit bigger than 44. 8.05 is a little bit bigger than C. So we used angle C to find side C. We now need to find, we're going to assume angle A. So you notice I didn't draw a picture here, and I don't know that one's always needed because we had so much information in just our words. So angle A is, let's see, we're going to subtract 97. So if I subtract 90, it's 90. Subtract 7 more, it's 83. So we're looking at angle A to be 83 degrees. And then once I know angle A, then I can do sine 44 over 7. I'm circling back to that because I know it's right. And then I'm going to cross multiply. Again, I'm not going to show you this cross multiply probably for every question, but it's nice to just hit the highlights early. So I'm going to divide by sine 44 again, so that's kind of cool. That 7 over sine 44 comes to play a lot. 7 times sine 83 divided by sine 44. And side A here is 10.002. I'm giving you all the decimals. 10 is a fabulous answer for this question, but I'm giving you all the decimals so you can just check yours. So we started off with a complete pair, and then we were able to build from there. So let's check out 1B. So in 1B, let's see, we've got angle B, the angle, and angle B, the side, and then the first part of the triangle we know in this case is A. So let's see what we can do. So we're going to go sine 40 over 92. That's my complete pair. Go sine 81A. And so if we cross multiply divide, I'm not going to show you the step for this one. I'm just going to do it. I'll talk about it obviously, but I'm going to do 92 times sine of 81. And then I'm going to divide that by sine of 40. And I get A is 141.36. Fabulous. And then another piece of the puzzle here is finding out what angle C is. So I'm going to do 180 minus 81 minus 42. So it looks like I'm subtracting 80 from 180. So that takes me down to 100. I'm subtracting 40 from 100 makes 60. Subtracting 3 more, and it looks like I'm left with 57 degrees for angle C. And then, of course, once I know angle C, then I can set up my next round of proportions using that 57-degree angle to find C. And I cross multiply divide. I do 92 times sine 57 because that's one side of my cross multiplying, right? That's what I'm looking at right here. 92 times sine 57. C times sine 40 means if I want C alone, I'm going to divide by sine 40. And in this case, C is 120.04, which is really cool because what you're hopefully noticing is, remember, we've talked a lot about the importance of knowing the sizes of angles and their sides. So C was the biggest angle. Oh, something weird happened. C was not the biggest angle. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, A was the biggest angle at 81 degrees, and side A was the biggest at 141. Angle C was the medium angle at 57, and side C was the medium side at 120, and then the whole thing with A with 80, with B with 40 and 92 is the smallest. So that right there was just some law of sines action happening. Hopefully it wasn't anything too crazy for you, and it gets you going in the right direction on your review. So just a little reset. This was 5.5. Regular old law of sines. Yeah, hopefully that helps.